Got him acting a fool out here. When the rally stripe get put on the Jeep, it changed the dynamic of the universe, you hear me? Gang, 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 what it is. Mook in the V, back with another video, making moves as usual. On my way to go and pick the Jeep up, man. AB and that black and gold thing just pulled up on. Alright gang, my bad man, the camera shut off. I got way too much footage that I gotta get out to y'all. AB just got done yelling at me, I'm slacking. I'm finna drop every day, y'all. But when this video come out, this is gonna be one of the videos that's part of every day, so it might be over with already by that time.
Yes, sir, man. I gotta stay on my boys, man. We don't stay on each other, man. I'm doing the wrong thing.
Yeah, that's a fact.
Like we gotta put pressure on each other, man, and not be a yes man. You know what I'm saying? So he showed me some footage that I saw, and I had to say something. This dude bogus, y'all. He bogus as hell. But I'm gonna make sure I stay on my mans because that's what we're supposed to do. But he got some footage for y'all ass though, so y'all. And
that benefit y'all. Facts. Yeah. That shit benefit y'all because
he got some. Man, you got a lot of shit.
Real supercar shit. Y'all gonna love it. Y'all gonna love it.
Beautiful. It's gorgeous.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Thanks a lot.
Appreciate you, bro.
That means a lot. Yep. All right.
People pulling up, showing love to AB and that thing.
You know what I'm saying?
But man, I don't even know if I told y'all, we on our way up here to Welsh Wraps, man. Y'all gotta shop with my boy, man. Less than 24-hour turnaround. So I forgot what we was in. Oh yeah. Good horsepower. Good horsepower.
Oh yeah.
Well yeah, man, less than 24-hour turnaround, man. We just dropped it off yesterday. We are back today.
It is, man.
He sent me pictures of it. I love it. I needed a little bit, something touched up. He touched it up in like 10 minutes, man. So I'm sold. I'm sold already, man. I'm rocking with him, man.
I can't wait to see it.
Yeah, man.
It's quick return. Most people have you waiting.
It's actually already on the internet. To be honest, I didn't even know he posted it already. And other than he sent the picture to me first before he posted, but I didn't know.
You supposed to post it first, man.
It's alright. It's cool. It's cool because it's just 0.5, y'all. Don't even worry about it. It's just 0.5. This ain't the full 1.0. This ain't the 2.0. So you know we got remixes coming for y'all ass. But no, I ain't tripping. It's just it's just the rally stripe. But he sent it. He asked me first if I wanted a picture to go out, and I told him yeah. So once he sent it to me, then he posted it on his Instagram. But I didn't know that he posted it, and then motherfuckers is posting it on their Instagram, tagging me. So I'm like, oh shit, I gotta go get my shit.
Gotta go get your shit right there.
It's on 2 Instagram stories right now, and posts right now before mine.
I'm gonna leave it right here. I don't want you to I'm gonna let you walk up to it. That's how you do this.
Sir. Y'all ready? Is you ready? Whole squad ready. Oh yeah, I guess I'll come back and grab that. Alright gang, it's the walk up.
Alright gang, man, I'm gonna get up behind him.
Yes sir. Dun 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 dun. You gotta look around, you gotta look around the corner. Oh yeah, this angle right here is so nasty. Y'all ready, man? Wee! Look at what the rally stripe do to it, man. Y'all see the teeth on the front, man? It's still the Mamba, y'all. He just got the rally stripe on it now. Yes, sir. I don't know if y'all know that snake skin right there, though. Yes, sir. Oh, wait. I think I like it. Ooh. Think I like it, y'all. Oh, yeah. That back ain't nasty with it. The back look good. Yeah, dude.
Let me tell you about it. That's how that go. Oh, damn.
This come off. This the hitch.
Okay, but he was able to do it.
Bro, he just did this in like 10 minutes because he had stopped it right here.
Okay.
He stopped it right here, and I looked at the picture and seen that this wasn't done. I'm like, man, you throw that on there for me? He just did that shit in like 10 minutes.
I like the tan with the white.
Yeah, it's something different, man. It just came to me one day. It just came to me one day. Yeah. Just came to me one day, bro. I gotta gotta order new decals or new SRT. I think I'm gonna put the red in there too. Remember I said I'm gonna do some touch-ups? Oh yeah. Definitely gotta put a track over this. It look good though, man. My boy did his thing. I appreciate you. How you guys doing, man? Y'all here doing y'all thing, man. We finna send y'all a lot of work, man. I'm trying to tell you. Finna send y'all a lot of work. So all I need to do is find a shop that I can rock with, man. Quick, I already told him, man. 24-hour turnaround. Not even. Man. Right. Y'all hear that, man? Well, y'all can't hear it because the music is playing. I'm gonna have to put a track over this, but I'm gonna put some writing on there. Y'all know what's going on. That joint right there. Damn. Take this shit apart. They killing them corners too. This back view. So y'all see what time it is, man. Hopefully y'all can't still hear that music back there, man. My boy did his thing, man. That's D Welsh, man. Y'all make sure y'all go check him out. Y'all see it right there on the back of his car. Show y'all one more time. Yes, sir, man. Y'all go show love, man. We out here working, man. YouTubers, black men, black businesses, man. You know, we out here politicking with each other, shopping with each other. You know what I mean? So this just what we doing out here, man. I love the stripe, man. Make it look so aggressive, man. I can't wait to get my wheels on there, man, and really get this new flip. I've been riding it the same way for a while now, man. So I done worked hard for it. I deserve it. And it's just more content to come, man. I'm gonna go in here and do a little bit more politicking. I can't take the camera in there because music is playing. But y'all keep watching, man. I don't know, something else might pop up tonight. You never know. Never know. It's go time, y'all. Hey, you see how short I made the distance, right?
Real short. That's cool though. It's for fun. I might spin a little bit.
I'm hoping. Oh, that wide body cat just went by over there. You see that motherfucker? Them short distances. Them short distances, bro.
I'm about to eat that ass up.
I saw you coming. Y'all, them short distances where it's at when you in that all-wheel drive joint, man. This joint felt good taking off though. The track mode, I ain't put it in track in a long time. I like that. We finna have some fun this summer, y'all. For real. For real, y'all. I feel it. I got goosebumps. It's warm. It's hot outside. Man, what's this car? Get out my way, man. Get the fuck out the way. What you doing, man? We trying to roll. Alright, y'all, man. I'm on my way over to Alberto's shop, man. I gotta drop the Mamba off over there. Just a lot of work that I need done right now, man. I'll go over those things once I get the vehicle back. I don't even think he's there right now. Maybe he is there. Maybe he's on his way over there. But I'll go over those things, of course, and explain what I got going on, man. But I'm just busy, man. I just be busy. That my whining. That wine so crazy. Ooh. But alright, y'all, man. I'm gonna cut the camera back on once we pull up to the shop, man. I'm gonna go ahead and have some fun with AB on yeah, I mean. Yeah, I mean. Alright, man, we out here just cruising, doing what we do, man. It's a C8 right up here. Oh, I want to get up on the side of it. It's always a car in the way that shouldn't be in the way. Come on, bro, move. Bro, get the fuck out of the way. Oh my God, thank you. Woo-wee. Big C8. I'll see how we out here riding. I was gonna cut the camera off, but we probably gonna have some fun with these boys up here. I see a Mustang, and that thing look like a Subaru or something like that. I don't know what that is right there. Y'all hear it though. Y'all hear it though. We gotta go get them. Ooh, they all out here. Ooh. Got them acting a fool out here when the rally stripe get put on a Jeep, it changed the dynamic of the universe, you hear me? Hey, it feel good out here, man. I love this, y'all. I ain't gonna even hold you. Buddy ass like Jamal Murray walking over there. Like Jamal Murray, boy, your ass supposed to be in the playoffs. That's light taking forever in a day. Hey, everybody's stupid. Oh yeah, we gotta go get him. Gotta go get him. Gotta go and get him. Bro, what is you doing? y'all. I ain't had the pretties on. Yeah, but it's going off though. I just wanted to show y'all that the pretties were still there. Ain't going nowhere. Ain't going nowhere. Okay, okay. Yes, sir.
How you doing the whole inside of it?
Yeah.
Oh, you got SRT seals in it.
Yeah, I'll tell you about that another time.
Put some engine out, man.
I'll tell you about another time. Ooh wee, that joint look good sitting there, boy.
It ain't even clean.
Nah, it ain't. I gotta get that 6.4 Hemi redone though. That shit all faded. I gotta repaint the SRT.
Just order one tonight and that should be here.
Oh, facts. Facts. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah. That's where I got that one from.
Yeah,
It don't come like that. It don't say 6.4 Hemi on there.
No, it don't.
It's nothing on that side. It's only the SRT. I put that there. But it was nice looking when I.
Hemi under it?
Yeah, I did all that. The Hemi, it was 6.4 liter, but that shit came off when I left it out there.
Oh yeah, you put some new signs, that shit gonna hit.
Mm-hmm.
You don't need no SRT one though.
No, the SRT good. I gotta repaint. I gotta repaint that too though.
We'll order in black.
They make the blackout wrap for it. It come pre-cut already.
Oh, so
That's what this was. It come pre-cut like that.
Yeah.
You can get 100%, 75%.
Yeah, cause you ain't really get no chrome on your tire. So I mean, yeah, right here. You do that.
All that shit finna get deleted though. That's all finna get deleted. They make all that though, all pre-cut. Make it real easy.
Yeah. I like it.
But y'all already know where I'm at, man. Y'all done been here with me plenty of times. I talk a little bit of business with the mad scientist, so I'm gonna holler at y'all in a minute.
Give it like 3 minutes just because they're like higher horsepower engines.
Is it how I see with it, how I make it look at you?
Okay, so if you tap this 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Don't go 1, 2, 3. Just go 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, that's probably bad.
And that's the record. Then you hit it again and stop. These are cool, man. I love these.
You're gonna like it.
If I was to get one, this is a big boy though, ain't it?
Yeah.
This is a big one. Yeah. I get it wrapped black and gold. Oh hell yeah.
AB on that 4-wheeler.
I ain't got no helmet and nothing about to flip up.
It's Mook and the V takeover on AB cam. AB about to do his first wheelie on the 4-wheeler.
So I'm not done with it. We made a speaker system for it.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
It doesn't have battery, but I'll show you how it's gonna go.
Oh, that's gonna be nasty.
You go with these all the time, right?
Me?
Yeah,
Not all the time, but I done rode them. I done rode they shit a few times. I was finna buy one off of them, but they had sold it. I was salty. 2,500. Missed it.
a big boy like
Just like, it's a little bit smaller than that.
We're gonna glue this in right now.
Alright y'all, my camera about to die, so I'm about to switch to the phone. Alright guys, man. Had a lot going on today, man. Appreciate y'all for watching, man. If y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all hit that like button or the thumbs down button, man. Any interaction is good with the channel, man. Just picked my son up, man. He back there walking, the Walking Dead zombie back there. Every time y'all see him, he just waking up. My man AB already dropped me off, man. He done pulled off out of here, man. We about to go in the house. Yeah, man, just more content to come, man. We got a lot going on, a lot coming, man. I appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the video. And I'ma holler at y'all on the next one. Gang, 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 gang.